As Andre Sr. explains.
This area right here, which is down by Old Naples, 5th Avenue, 3rd Avenue South, that area.
Big changes coming to all of Collier County. Krista Carrera, the City of Naples Flood Plan Coordinator, shows us the 2012 FEMA flood zone maps that will take effect on Wednesday. The reason for the change? Better technology allowed flood experts to better predict which areas would be affected the most.
In the city, we mainly had changes along north of Golden Gate Parkway. There were some areas that were X zones that are now going to go into a special flood hazard area. Depending on if it's an existing property and they went from, let's say, an X zone, which is just a low risk flood zone, to a special flood hazard area.
Simply put, if you didn't live in a flood zone before, the changes to the flood zone map means you could be living in one now, and vice versa. With the changes come adjustments for property owners in Collier County and the City of Naples.
There may be changes in flood insurance requirements, things like that.
For most homeowners who now find themselves living in what's called a special flood hazard area, they will now be required to get flood insurance. By law, federally regulated or insured mortgage lenders require flood insurance on properties that are located in areas at high risk of flooding. Owners of properties that are now at lower risk of flooding can renegotiate with their insurer for a lower premium or none at all if it's not required by the lender. But experts warn that even people living outside of high-risk areas can experience flooding, which is the most common and costly natural disaster in the U.S.
We still encourage people, regardless of whether they're in a special flood hazard area or a low risk, like an X zone, to go ahead and purchase it.
Andre Sr., Fox 4, in your corner.
Now, to find out if your home is at risk or if your insurance premium is changing, just click on the Big Red 4 on fox4now.com and you will actually get a detailed look at all the new flood zone maps there.